Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically sync your laptop data to Google Drive right from your desktop. This is super useful for keeping your files backed up and easily accessible from anywhere. Let's dive in and see if we can make this a smooth and hassle-free process. Step 1. Download and install Google Drive for desktops. We need to get Google Drive installed on our computer. Head over to the Google Drive for Desktop download page and install the app for your system. Once installed, sign in with your Google account, and let's get everything set up. Step 2. Choosing folders to sync now. Here's where the magic happens. Google Drive allows you to choose specific folders from your desktop to automatically sync. Open the Google Drive app and navigate to the Preferences/Settings. Select Add Folder, and you can choose any folder from your desktop to sync. Want to back up your entire desktop? You can do that too. I'll select my most important folders and let them sync in real time. Step 3. Adjust sync settings. For this to work smoothly, we'll need to ensure we have the right settings. I'll make sure that syncing is turned on for both my Drive and computers. The folders are set to sync with Google Drive and back up to Google Photos if needed. Step 4. Monitor the sync process. Now that we've set everything up, let's watch the sync in action. I'll be checking out the Google Drive folder to ensure the files are uploading as expected. As we go, I'll show you some tips for keeping your syncs fast and efficient. That's it. If all goes well, my desktop data should now be syncing automatically to Google Drive, and I'll have a backup of my important files ready to access anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tips like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this or if you need any help with your setup.